there! Do you know that you can make handmade cards, scrapbooks, and other paper crafting projects quick and easy, yet make them beautiful? Well, my name is Jackie Bolhuis, and I'm with Klompen Stampers, and I've been stamping and card making and other paper crafting projects for over 25 years now. My true passion, though, is teaching you and inspiring you to make quick and easy card making and other paper crafting projects as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. You just got to click that big red button and then check the links below because I've shared with you some of my favorite quick and easy projects that'll help get you started. Also, down in the description of the video, I'll have links to all the different ways that you can follow me. So check those out as well. Then come back here to my channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I share brand new videos of card making or other paper crafting projects that will teach you, inspire you, and share tons of tips with you for these quick and easy projects. I can't wait to share with you. But until I do, have a stamp happy day.